Hi, Roger the Real Deal Guy here. How are we? Keeping well? Look, it's another fabulous day down here at Holiday Resort Unity in Breen in Somerset. And as all of you lot know by now, how far am I from the M5? 15 minutes, that's it, 15 minutes from the M5. You can come and get your own little piece of heaven. I'm here on our holiday home showground and we still have an amazing array of holiday homes for you guys. We've had an extremely busy last few weeks, and that's why we probably haven't seen a lot of this face, because we've found the real deal for everybody. Anyone that's come down to inquire about holiday home ownership, we've found them a real deal, which has made them really happy. And they're now thoroughly enjoying being owners here at Holiday Resort Unity. As you can see, I've still got them though, and as you lot all know by now, holiday homes start from as little as £19,995. But enough about that. What we're looking at today, I'm going to show you something with a real bit of class today, because you know, I want to show you all array of different holiday homes. And I'm going to have a look behind us, and you're probably going to go, Rog, I'm sure we've seen this one before. Well, this is a Regal Harlington. It's 14 foot wide, it's 40 odd foot long, and it's a 2-bed, and it's something a little bit different. So sit down, get comfy, have a coffee, put me on pause, whatever you want to do, because I really want to show you through this fabulous, well laid out, well designed holiday home. Let's go. So straight away as we walk in, we've got our own hallway. Loads of doors leading off, but we're going to go and do the lounge first. And as we come in, yeah, look at this. Wow. Fabulous design with the lights, curtains that match in with colours. They've really thought about this. Lights flooding in through them. Large windows, your patio doors, side window. Obviously you've got your freestanding furniture with sofa beds. So this is a 2-bedroom. It will sleep 6. Lovely feature fireplace and wall. Ideal for your TV to hang. And then loads of storage either side, so you can bring down your ornaments and, you know, really make this feel like home away from home. Again, more storage the other side. Your freestanding dining table. And then this lovely kitchen. As you can see, it just wraps around. Your large integrated fridge freezer. You know. Dishwasher, people. You know, full-size dishwasher, so you know you can put your feet up at night and not think, oh, I've got who's turning to do the dishes. Gas cooker, extractor, and obviously integrated microwave. Loads of room for bottles. Depends on what bottles you want to put in there, but you know, it's entirely up to you. But again, this is just a really spacious, well laid out, thought and designed living area. Right, carrying on down, let's show you more. Cupboard. Look at that for storage. Shoes, you get a little rack in there or something, coats. Ideal. Next door to that, it's the twin. And again, look at this. Lovely, lovely size single. Look at the sun that's beaming in through that window. I mean, a freestanding bed. So if you were to put a double in here instead, you can do quite comfortably. Little table, little dresser there with your mirror. But again, double door wardrobes, great amount of drawers underneath. Really is fabulous. Carrying on down. Now, the door in front of us is where your boiler's housed, and obviously combi boiler and everything else like that. But what I hear the most in everything else is, Rog, I really fancy a bath. Would love to have a bath. I'd love to be able to come down to my holiday home and have a soak. Bath is important to some people, and I understand why. And then looky, we've got a bath. So shower above, lovely sized bath, toilet, sink, storage underneath, large towel rail, but it's got a bath, so you can sit in here, light some candles, relax, and you know, just let the time pass. But yeah, we have a bath. And then into the master, and look at the size of this. It's a massive, massive main bedroom. Great bedsides, plug sockets with USBs, both sides. So charging and everything is not an issue. This is obviously an ottoman bed, so you've got storage underneath. Fabulous sized dressing table. Drawers galore. And look at this wardrobe. Look at that. I mean, that's such a deep wardrobe. So your electric points and everything are in there, your fuse boxes, storage above, but it's fabulous. Then to the side of it, there's even somewhere just to hang all your coats and your jackets or things like that. and then into the main ensuite. Again, sink, WC, and of course shower. So you've got a bath, you've got a full ensuite shower, you've got marvellous size bedrooms, hallway, more storage for coats and shoes, and then into this amazing lounge area. I mean, just look at it. How is this not ticking every box you could possibly want in a holiday home? It's just stunning. So this is the truly stunning and fabulous Regal Harlington 2-bedroom model. It's beautiful. I mean, you can watch this video over and over again and just really, it's just home away from home. I can go through all the features with you, but just really, it's easy. Bath, full ensuite, stunning social space, patio doors. I mean, does it really need any more than that? It is amazing. Now, you know what you got to do? You got to pick up the phone. You got to give me a call. 07493 098 497. Rog, I'm interested in holiday home ownership. What are my next steps? Rog, I want to come down and I want to view some holiday homes. How do I make an appointment? Holiday homes, as you know, start on here from as little as £19,995. You can come and get your own little piece of heaven here at Holiday Resort Unity with some of the best facilities in the southwest of England, and 15 minutes from the M5 and you're here. 10-minute walk to the beach. I mean, really? Does it get better than that? Pick up the phone, give me a call, text me, email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. I am here to make holiday home ownership as easily and as stress-free as possible. Ask many of the owners I've been looking after over the last couple of weeks. We have found them the real deal that's ticked all their boxes, that's made them happy. And don't forget, this face is all over YouTube, Roger the Real Deal Guy. Have a little look at some of my videos, get some ideas, get some inspiration. And then from that, holiday home ownership becomes so much easier. But for now, enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the sunshine, and don't forget, people, it's not a deal, let's go, it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.